Do you want to create viral anatomy videos that get millions of views? I'll show you the secret AI workflow, and it's completely free. The first step is to copy the prompt that I provide you with in the show notes below into ChatGPT. We're going to go ahead and copy the prompt, head over to ChatGPT, right-click, and paste. The first response that you're going to get is what type of food or drink you want to make the video on. In my case, I'm just going to say milk. We hit run. The way the response is structured is that it will provide you with a set of images showing the passage of the food item or the liquid into the human body, and it will also provide a visualization of the benefits and side effects, if any. It will also provide you with a corresponding image to video prompts that you need to use in order to animate those images. So as you can see here, this is the entire images. In this case, we have 12 total images, and then we have the corresponding video prompts as well. So we're going to first go ahead and generate the images. To do this, we're going to copy the first image prompt here, and we're going to head over to Google Whisk. We're going to enter the tool here, and we're going to right-click and paste the entire prompt, and we're going to hit generate. Google Whisk is going to provide you with two variations for each image. If you don't like the image for any reason, then go ahead and run it again, and we'll provide you with an alternative. I think this is a good one here. Let's go ahead and create another image. So we're going to copy here the second image prompt and head over to Google Whisk again. We're going to paste the second prompt and hit run. And now we are going to repeat this process for all 12 images and then download them. Now that you have generated all the images in Google Whisk and have downloaded them, we're going to head over to Grok to generate the videos. So we're going to copy here the very first video prompt, and we're going to head over to Grok. In Grok, we're going to click on Imagine, and we're going to upload the very first image. So we're going to come here and select the image, which is this one here of the guy drinking milk. It will automatically take you to the next page here. Make sure that you select the correct aspect ratio that you want, and then we're going to paste the video prompt and hit run. As you can see now, we have the first image animated, and what you need to do next is take all the images in exactly the same way and animate them using Grok. Let's take the second image, for example. So we're going to head over back to the first page here, and we're going to upload the second image. So we're going to go to this image here, and then we're going to head over to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, and we're simply going to paste the prompt and hit run. As you can see, we now have the second video of the second image. And if you don't like what you see for any reason, you can always click on redo until you are satisfied. Now you are going to take all the images and animate them in exactly the same way. Now that we have all the videos generated, we are going to need the voiceover that explains these videos. So we're going to head over back to ChatGPT and say, now provide me with a voiceover script for each video prompt. Make it short but descriptive. Each VO should be on a separate line. And sure enough, ChatGPT gave us 12 voiceovers for the 12 videos. But this is kind of difficult to paste into Google AI Studio. So I have asked ChatGPT to give me the VO in text file format. Do not number the VO lines, but include a blank line between each line. So it has given me exactly what I wanted here. So we're going to copy all of this, and we're going to head over to Google AI Studio. We're going to go ahead and paste that here, and we're going to say run. Of course, you can select the voice that you like. So we're going to go ahead and say run. So now we have the voiceover ready from Google AI Studio.
Preparing the body for absorption and
we're going to go ahead and download that. Now, the last step is to piece everything together. For this, I use Adobe Premiere. All right, so now I have all the videos placed here in Adobe Premiere, and we have also the voiceover. Now, one thing you'll notice is when we play the clips, some of the clips are shorter than the spoken voiceover. So, for example, here on this particular example, let's take a listen.
Inside the stomach, milk flows into powerful digestive acids, breaking down into essential building blocks.
You see that the clip was seconds, but the guy is still, the voiceover is still speaking about the first one. Now, to fix this issue, here's what you need to do. You need to press R in Adobe Premiere, and that is going to allow you to extend the length of that video to match exactly the voiceover. So it's about right there. So now if I click here,
Inside the stomach, milk flows into powerful digestive acids, breaking down into essential building blocks for the body.
now we have the perfect voiceover on that specific video. Now you need to repeat this for the entire video to make sure that your voiceover matches with your video length. Once you have now pieced all the video pieces together and adjusted their length to match the voiceover, this is what you're going to get.
As milk touches the lips, a wave of nutrients begins its journey, preparing the body for absorption and renewal. Inside the stomach, milk flows into powerful digestive acids, breaking down into essential building blocks for the body. In the intestines, vital nutrients cross microscopic barriers, entering the bloodstream to fuel every cell.
Well, folks, I hope that you have found this video to be useful. Again, it is completely free, and it really does work. If you like this video, please consider hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, and please do share the video. It really does help this small channel grow. I want to thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.